In this video, we will prove that mod of az plus b divided by b conjugate z plus a conjugate is equal to 1 for mod of z is equal to 1 by using the properties of complex number. So let's write az mod of az plus b divided by b conjugate z plus a conjugate. From the properties of complex number, we know that for any two complex numbers z1 and z2, mod of z1 divided by z2 is equal to mod of z1 divided by mod of z2. So we can write this expression as mod of az plus b divided by mod of b conjugate z plus a conjugate. And also we know that for any complex number z, mod of z conjugate is equal to mod of z. We will use this property in its denominator. So we can write it as mod of az plus b divided by mod of b conjugate z plus a conjugate whole conjugate. And it is equal to mod of az plus b divided by, in the denominator we will use the property that for any two complex numbers z1 and z2, z1 plus z2 whole conjugate is equal to z1 conjugate plus z2 conjugate. By using this property, we can write its denominator as mod of b double conjugate z conjugate plus a double conjugate, which is equal to mod of az plus b divided by mod of, for b double conjugate and a double conjugate, we will use the property for any complex number z, double conjugate z is equal to z. So here b double conjugate will be equal to b and a double conjugate will be equal to a. And it is equal to, now we will divide and multiply this expression by mod of z and we get mod of z, mod of az plus b divided by mod of z, mod of b z conjugate plus a. We can write the previous expression as mod of c into mod of az plus b divided by, in the denominator we will use the property that for any two complex numbers z1 and z2, mod of z1 into mod of z2 is equal to mod of z1 z2. So we can write the denominator as mod of z into b z conjugate plus a, which can also be written as mod of z, mod of az plus b divided by mod of b z into z conjugate plus az, which is equal to mod of z, mod of az plus b divided by mod of b and z into z conjugate is equal to mod of z square. So here we can write mod of z square plus az. It is given that mod of z is equal to 1, so we will substitute its value and get mod of 1 into mod of az plus b divided by mod of b into 1 square plus az. So we are left with mod of az plus b, and if we rearrange the denominator we get mod of az plus b. So it will be cancelled out and the expression is equal to 1. So we have proved this expression that it is equal to 1.